Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another dead video, and today we are doing unspoken Riz fails, because I failed, because I'm a fucking failure now. Enjoy.
Ich weiß nicht, wen du meinst.
Doch, warte kurz. Ich habe schon Helligkeit hoch. Du hattest einen Kollegen und ich habe immer zu dem gesagt, wann hast du dich zuletzt geboxt?
Now I have no clue what happened when what I pulled up. That's why I make that crazy face that you're seeing. But yeah, I didn't get the number obviously, because yeah, just on to the next one. Fucking failure, you're fucking.
Hello. My number. I'm 14. There you go. I don't think that this would be legal.
Go away! That might be the only time you ever see me break character in this. I am lying out of my ass. I broke character so many times. Honestly, fuck this video. Like, fuck it. Like, it's so just... This video is so unbelievably stupid. Did I say that right? Maybe. Alright, honestly, I'm not talking. Let's go on to the next one.
Man hört dich nicht. Ich hör dich nicht.
Just take a look at my face. Just look at me, bro. I'm like, what am I doing? Like I'm actually like questioning my life right now.
Hey, I don't hear you, bro.
Alright, and with this guy, I'm just calling him like a bunch of just hard R, racial slurs. I'm just saying like the most like out of pocket shit. And you know, I could do that because my mic's off.
Okay. Okay.
I'm over here stroking my dick. I got lotion on my dick right
I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. My number. Just control Emina.
This has got to be the slowest human being alive. Like, the slowest. And look what I do to this guy. Look what I do to this fucking guy. Fucking retard. What are you doing over there? What you doing in the back over there, boy? Like, fuck this video, bro. Fuck it.
How old are you? How old are you? "21. I'm 15.
You what?
And he disappeared.
Yeah, I did disappear. I didn't come back with the milk. Sorry. Alright, so I thought I'd give a little context for this next interaction. I've been at this for a while now, and I'm really starting to get frustrated. This guy asked if I was a YouTuber, so I showed him. Anyways, so I was starting to get a little frustrated, and I'm gonna show that in this next particular clip. How fucking slow are you? Give me your number. Look, I'm pointing at the phone. I have the fucking number out. I want your fucking number. Fucking God. At this point of the video, I noticed a lot of people in the dark, and I just started just fucking flashing my flashlight at people. And I'm just mad. I'm furious that this fucking look at that. Oh my God. This fucking unspoken Riz is not working. Like, I'm mad, bro. I mean, I'm smiling in that, but I'm mad. Let me tell you guys something. When I'm like upset or mad, having a big person around me is not a good idea. I'm gonna show you why. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you why.
Speed?
What?
KSI.
You were fat as shit. Both of you are fat as shit. Alright, this is basically the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this like kind of like voiceover kind of video. It's kind of an idea that I had in my head, and I didn't think anyone else was doing it. But yeah, this is all I got. If you guys liked the video, don't comment down below. We are getting up there, and I hate black people.